Talk about legendary. The Magellano collection from Azimut, it's really, truly a revolution in our industry. We are here on the cockpit of the Magellano 25M. It's a very unique design. As you probably know, this is a dual hull vessel that is actually very comfortable going 18 knots, but it can go up to 25 knots if you're going into severe weather. This is a very strong design vessel that is built for long range and long voyage. One of the very unique items of this boat, it is this cockpit. They created this side seating that has this glass on the end, and it creates this illusion when you are in the ocean where you can actually see through from the bow of the boat all the way to the stern of the boat. Here you will have a high-low table that can convert into a dining table, or it can just be a coffee table for just the day-to-day use. We use only the Beatty liner on our exterior. We do not use vinyls. Look how thick this is. It's a different level than any other boat you're gonna see on the market. Nobody else is using this but Azimut Benetti. Now I'm gonna show you another really awesome part of this boat. You do have a flush entrance right here. It goes from there all the way to your galley, all the way to the entrance to your crew, or on the starboard side of the entrance to the cabins. It's one level. The only way we were able to accomplish this is by this really large gutter right here to hold on the water. The reason why you have normally a step here on the entrance is by code you have to have that to prevent water from coming in. This is the solution Azimut found to have a one level floor for you. As you can see on this boat, the windows are very large. You can have a view from every corner of this boat, and the addition of mirrors everywhere even increases the size of this boat even further. Here you're going to have seating for 8 people for formal dining. This is truly one of the largest boats on the 25-meter range you're gonna ever see. I also love the fact that this boat here has its own crew area in only 82 feet. And if you do want to spend more time with your crew, you can just open this up and voila. Here is your galley and crew area. That's where your crew is gonna have a completely separate entrance. You have privacy. The crew has an exterior door right here if they need, and they don't need it to bother you when you are with your family in the living room. Okay, this boat also have a raised pilot house, and this raised pilot house does give you access to the Flybridge, so you have 2 access for the Flybridge, one internal and one external. Here on this helm, as you can see, it gives you more of this feeling of a true traveler with this new steering wheel from Azimut. Again, all of our Marine packages, all of our navigation packages is upgraded to platinum. So for the American market, you always will be getting the latest and the newest from Azimut. And when you get to the Flybridge, it's the details that makes the difference. Again, the Beatty liner fabric, the custom-made captain chairs. You have, again, a very unique steering wheel on this boat. This boat does have a lot of storage everywhere on this Flybridge. Everywhere you can see, there is this beautiful hardtop on our boat that actually opens and closes at your convenience. People really tend to love that instead of having the fabric hardtop that actually converts into an openable. This has been very, very well accepted. Here on the back, you have this beautiful bar with our synthetic marble table. This is actually a really full bar. You have an ice maker, you have a refrigerator, it's covered. It's a really nice hangout area for you and your friends. I actually have the pleasure to spend a lot of time on this boat, and is one of my favorite by far. Now you do have a half-a-day head right up here, so your guests can use it, but down below is where you have your 4 staterooms, and all of them are en suite. Come with me. You can see the design on this boat, and how well finished it is. This is actually just the VIP, this is not even the master, and look how beautiful it looks. Keep in mind that if you're customizing your boat, you can choose everything from the fabrics to the bedspreads, to the wood, to the carpet. You can make this boat on your own. We really welcome people to make the boat the way they like. We go to Viareggio, where we build a lot of our boats, or Avigliana, or Fano. We'll go, we'll pick all of your choices. It's a very fun experience if you haven't done. Now let me show you the rest of the boat. You do have 2 additional cabins here. Some of our boats in this cabin does have a split bed that can come together. In this case, we ordered with a queen bed. And here is one of my favorite masters. Very wide, it's full beam. I love that the head is actually to the port side of the boat. And it gives you an additional corner where you can get ready with the 2 double sinks. A lot of mirror, a lot of details on this boat. As you can see, this mirror right here, it's not preventing you from seeing the ocean view when you are in the water. And you still have all of the details and things that you need. You do have an additional storage here. I just want to show you how they hide the storage everywhere on this boat. There is a walk-in closet here that we passed right by it, but people love this, having a walk-in closet on a boat. For a 25 meter, which is 82 feet, this is a very, very spacious boat. Now I wanted you to imagine yourself with all your family and friends and the kids running around in this very large salon. It's very seldom that you're gonna see a salon on an 82 feet that is flush like this, from the crew quarter all the way to the end. When you have people sitting on the outside, they are connected to the inside. Like I said, I have spent a lot of time on this boat, and it's one of the most beautiful features of this boat is this connection that you have to the exterior. So if you have friends having drinks there and you have other ones that like the air condition, everybody's still together. You can really have a big group here, or just be very comfortable with the 3 or 4 in this area, just enjoying your family in the water. One of the very unique features of this boat is how large the pass-through is. You have a lot of details on this boat that really represents large vessels. As you can see, it's comfortable for kids, for elderly, for dogs. This is truly a traveler. It will keep you safe in the water. It's one of our strongest hull. I'm very proud of this project. It has been one of the most successful projects we ever created. Here you will have a very comfortable area, another additional hangout area where you have high-low tables that converts into sun pad. And if you just want to hang out here and actually have the coffee table, you can as well. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me today and for allowing me to show you our beautiful 25-meter Magellano. If you are interested in this unit, please make sure to stop by your local MarineMax. Thank you.